So I go take the radiator cap off, and what's going on here? the whole fucking grill came off. There was no clips. This is busted. How about over here? Oh, wait, that may have been a part of the original bumper. I don't know. Oh, no, it's a part of the grill. It goes there, see? There it is over there. Oh, look, the AC condenser got a little frown in it. I wonder if the air conditioner... Oh, wow, oh my God, that's a little bit more than a frown. Holy shit.
Oh my God.
I wonder if their air conditioning works. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. This is a 2003 CRV. Isn't Honda coolant blue? And it's not supposed to smell like this either. It smells like a Monday, but it's Friday. Ugh. How? I never knew coolant could smell like this. It smells. Oh. Smell that coolant. Smell that. That's not. Or
I didn't even want to touch it.
yeah, smell it on your glove. That coolant's not supposed to freaking smell like that. What the hell?
I'm gonna make a channel called the customer.
No, smell this coolant.
Customer key bag.
Hey, smell my finger.
Yeah, smell my finger. This is what it smells like to be a man. Oh, yo, it smells like Monday, but it's Friday.
You have that finger in the wrong hole.
Yeah, we were playing with the petcock. Well, guys, I know lately I've been pretty negative, but we got the thermostat and the housing out of this vehicle. But you see how there's a gasket here? There's an O-ring. Well, the new part has that O-ring. The thermostat housing, there's a gasket right here, and then there's a pipe that goes into here that has an O-ring. Well, let's go to the new parts. Brand new parts. No gasket. And that won't be here till tomorrow. So you know what? Screw this shit. I'm going home. Very good. We got our 2 gaskets that we were waiting for. Now we could put the rest of this Honda back together. Alright guys, we got downs in the background. We got this surface cleaned. We cleaned the pipe over here and installed the new O-ring. So now we are ready to install the thermostat housing and then the thermostat assembly. Alright, we got that housing in. We got 1 blind bolt on top. We got another one here, and we got another one here. They are collared bolts. And they said I was crazy, guys. They said I was crazy to get this little itty bitty ratchet, but you know what? I used it again. And I did have to take my watch off because I didn't want to scratch it, but usually I have it on. Let's continue. Well, alright. Now we have our thermostat assembly in. All our bolts are tight. Harness is routed back to its original position. Now we just gotta put the lower radiator hose in, make sure our petcock is tight, and then we gotta fill her up. Alright. We got coolant in. And I did tell you that the AC condenser is a little frowny, but I didn't know it was holy. Like, look at that, they're lucky. They're very lucky they didn't destroy their radiator. Would they back into a trailer hitch maybe? I don't know. No, there wouldn't be a trailer hitch. They got smoked in the front end. Because a trailer hitch would just be a square right there instead of a whole frown. Well, alright guys, coolant's bled. There are no external leaks. Very good, and you know what? We actually have an AC condenser on the way because the customer decided to do it. Very good. So if you guys don't know what to do, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.